Welcome to the skies. Welcome to the world of aerial possibilities. Today, we're taking flight with the F177 Screen Control Drone, a dual-camera beast packed into a foldable, easy-to-use body. Whether you're a curious beginner or a seasoned drone hobbyist, this drone aims to deliver professional-grade aerial photography with simplicity and power. Flight and ease of use. With one-click takeoff and landing, the F177 makes every flight effortless. No complicated setup, just tap and you're airborne. Ascent, descent, forward, backward, left, right, yaw, you control it all intuitively, thanks to a remote designed for smooth, responsive steering. And with optical flow positioning and dual camera support, you can hover steadily while capturing stunning shots. Dual cameras and 8K potential. At the heart of the F177 is its dual camera system. Front and bottom cameras both capable of 4019 by 2016 resolution for video and photos. Whether you're capturing sweeping landscapes from above or tight ground-level details, you're covered. Want cinematic vertical shots or unique angles? The camera tilt and dual lens switching make it easy to frame creative compositions on the go. Smart safety and obstacle avoidance. Flying should feel safe, and the F177 knows it. Equipped with omnidirectional obstacle avoidance and a built-in avoidance head, the drone senses danger from all sides and helps steer clear. And if you ever lose control or orientation, a quick one-click reset or headless mode will help the drone reorient itself, giving you peace of mind even during tricky flights. Built-in screen remote plus app flexibility. No extra accessories needed. The F177's remote comes with a built-in screen, letting you preview footage in real time, switch cameras, browse photos and videos, and instantly snap or record. Prefer the mobile app? That works too, with full access to flight functions, camera control, and trajectory mode. This dual control method adds flexibility whether you're filming at home or on location. Creative flight modes and features. Want a cinematic orbit around a building, a sweeping panoramic shot, or a smooth fly-through scene? The F177's trajectory flight, 360-degree roll, and gravity-sensing controls give you creative freedom. Fast or slow mode, dual speed settings, you control the pace, you set the mood. Portability and everyday use. Weighing just about 120 grams, the F177 is lightweight and portable, easy to carry on travel, hikes, or daily adventures. The spare blade set, storage bag, USB charging cable, it's all included. Whether you're capturing sunsets on a rooftop or strolling through a park, this drone fits in your carry bag and your pace of life. Final thoughts. The F177 Screen Control Drone is not just a toy, it's a creative tool. Dual cameras, high-resolution footage, strong obstacle avoidance, easy controls, it delivers a complete aerial package for those who want convenience without compromise. Whether you're exploring, filming, or simply experimenting, this drone brings the sky within your reach. So, are you ready to fly? Let's take off, and welcome to the world from above.